Welcome to world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters. Where? Junction City, Oregon. Who am I? Gary.Christiance, but you know me as the van guy. Check out my Facebook. Today we got our first Travato lithium series. So it's a 59K, still rear bathroom, twin beds, all the good features that you've loved to know being offered by Winnebago, because it's got a gorgeous bathroom in the back. But this bad boy's got a big old lithium battery in a climate controlled area, so you don't have to worry or be concerned at all about it getting too hot or too cold. It's got auto start, kind of like Volt Start that Road Trick has, but it's a little different. Of course, this is a gas engine, and for the most part, except for a couple control panels, the unit's the same as we've grown to love. Here in the back, we'll get the owner's packet out of the way, and the water filter. Here in the back, you've got your toilet, pull-down sink, medicine cabinet, a new shower head. That's brand new. It's got your same 3 drawers and the nice wardrobe in back. Plenty of hanging space. Of course, the curtain snaps all around for privacy when you're trying to keep water off everything, taking a shower. And you do have your headrest that pops up for sleeping. I love these boxes. You just try to find a place to put them. Got some short little pillows. Got this area redesigned with storage area down below on both sides. Table legs here for your table. This is your support if you want to put this table in here. Of course, most people don't want to do that because then you can't get up and get into the restroom. Most people just leave it as a twin, but it certainly is an option. And of course, their nice mattress system that's very comfortable. And when they did the update, they offered dual pane windows, the nicer window treatments, which are very easy to operate. As you can see, you got a little storage back here, as well as seat belts mounted, which have been on the change as well. You do have electrical outlets, USB ports, and you got your reading light or nighttime light, because it's either bright or blue in color. And the gorgeous storage in this model is unbelievable. That's a lot of storage, plus the 3 drawers and the wardrobe in the back. This has got the most storage of any of the Dodge Pro Ram chassis. So when we get to the end of this, it's going to have my email. Shoot me an email. I'll scan you over all the new features that this has, than trying to go through all the gibberish in this video presentation. That way you can have something you can take a look at, and it's got all the specs on it. New control panel up here, and of course your DVD entertainment center, plug-ins, another connector here. TV does turn around for viewing in the bedroom, or it rotates all the way outside. Convection microwave, compressor refrigerator, which everybody loves, how easy they operate. Got your sink with all your stuff for washing your dishes, recessed 2-burner stove, and your little heat shield up above. Good storage up on top, and as you can see up front, they've added the new sunscreen, which if we extend the other side, just pulls up and covers. It's a very nice feature to have. And then you have your table extension for the driver's seat, as well as the table extension over here on this side. Great screen door. You just got to remember, don't grab on it when you come in, otherwise it could rip out and you might fall. I want you to take a peek right up here. Here's a new control panel that they've installed on the auto start portion. That's a new switch. We'll take a peek around the outside. It's got your running boards, and they don't slide in and out. It's a real nice feature to have. They go all the way up to the driver and passenger side. Outdoor speakers, LED lights, hookups for TV, power source, and of course the all famous bike rack and the wonderful ladder system that unscrews, and you can take the ladder, move it over on the side to access your roof if you want to install a storage pod, a kayak rack, etc. It makes it real easy to remove this and travel. It's already got your hitch and wiring installed. Your Santa flush for your black tank. Dump valves are very easy to get to for your waste system. The Truma system, which is very nice for your water and your heating supplies. Tank fill, and this is the city water. Sewer hose storage. Your propane is easy to get to with your 110 and your cable hookup. Takes unleaded, regular unleaded fuel. So first part of March we had a show over in Redmond, and the pass was a little dicey for the group I was traveling in. So I drove this bad boy all the way up to Portland, up the gorge to 197 to 97. Yeah, it was about 8 hours, average 15 miles per gallon. On the way back home, that wasn't as bad, so we used the front wheel drive to shave 5 or 6 hours off that trip and head back over the San Ian Pass. It does have the window controls, which are great. It has the mirror controls for the upper, lower, and then another switch here to collapse them. It's a very nice feature when you're parking and or switching drivers. So I mentioned earlier, get a hold of me. We'll go over all the specs and all the new features. I can scan that and send it to you. And certainly if you have a question, call me direct at 541-554-9581. You have a great day.